What's going on, guys? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're taking a look at the 6 cool Chevy trucks in the Matchbox 100 Years of Chevrolet Truck series. The first model in this set is a vintage red 47 Chevy AD 3100. I found out that the AD stands for Advanced Design because this truck was actually their first major redesign after World War II. It's a gorgeous vehicle, and the logo on the side says MBX Auto Repair, we only use genuine Chevrolet parts. Next is the olive green 1970 Chevy El Camino with black rally stripes across the hood. The El Camino was introduced in response to Ford's Ranchero, and what makes this car iconic is the famous cargo bed in the body, which creates a truck utility out of a station wagon platform. The third Matchbox Chevy truck is this green off-roading giant, the Chevy K 1500. Both the Chevy C and K trucks were the full-size pickup for many years, and the major difference is that the K models had four-wheel drive, which makes this one ready for off-roading. Number 4 in the set is the newest Chevy truck featured in this Matchbox series, the 2014 Chevy Silverado. The Silverado truck was the successor to the line of C and K trucks from Chevy, and 2014 introduced the third generation of this vehicle. Now the cool thing is that Hot Wheels has a brand new 2019 Silverado on the way, which starts generation 4 of this famous pickup truck. Vehicle 5 in the Matchbox 100 Years of Chevy Truck series is this bright blue 2002 Chevy Avalanche. The 2002 model year was the first year of this truck, and it featured light gray plastic around the entire body. Another reason the Avalanche was so important was because it debuted the next generation of Chevy's front end styling with a chrome strip across the grille and a gold bow tie in the center. And the last Chevy truck in this Matchbox set is the 1975 Chevy Stepside. The Stepside was a type of pickup box available from Chevy and was titled Fender Side by GMC. It was a more narrow box in the back featuring steps, exposed fenders, and standalone taillights on the rear of the truck. There we have the 6 Matchbox Chevy trucks in the 100 Years of Chevrolet Truck series. If you want to see more Matchbox and Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you guys on my next video.